Okay, you love your headphones, but hate how the earpads are peeling. The headband has become flat and it's leaving flakes everywhere. Don't throw them away. Most people think this means it's time to drop another few thousand rupees or so on a new pair. Stop. Today I'm going to show you how to swap this out for less than 1000 rupees and make your headphones look and feel brand new. Before we dive in, you only need a few things. Your new earpads. Make sure they are specific to your model. For example, if you have a Sony 1000XM4, make sure to get those ear cuffs for those model only. A small prying tool, a guitar pick would do the job, or any plastic identity card. A microfiber cloth and some sanitizer or cleaning alcohol. Tweezers are optional if you have some adhesive bits in your headphones. Every headphone is slightly different, but most fall into just two categories, the adhesive ones or just a slide mechanism like mine. For the sliding type, slide your tool between the pad and the ear cuff and work your way around the perimeter. Don't force it though, because patience is the key here, or you might tear or do damage to the plastic parts. For the adhesive part, like my headband, you might need to pull a bit firmer. If it is stubborn though, a quick blast with a hair dryer on low heat can soften up the glue. There's one tip though, take a photo of the orientation before you pull them off, so you know which way is the up later on. Now let's get into the installation part. For the sliding part, align the notches. You usually want to start at the top or the bottom. Press down firmly and go around the whole circle to ensure there are no gaps. For the adhesive one though, peel the backing, align it perfectly. Check your before photo and press firmly for about a minute or so to ensure a good bond. Give them a gentle tug and they should not wiggle or feel loose. Look at that, from test ready to studio ready in under 10 minutes. And we are done. They look flawless. Plus, the fresh foam actually brings back your original sound isolation. You just saved yourself a few thousand rupees. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what headphones you just saved today. With that being said, this is Acer Ninja and I'll catch you in the next one.